Hello guys and welcome to Dozer Digitals, and in today's video we are going to be looking at a very interesting project which is called Konnex. Alright, Konnex World. Konnex World is that project that is giving you opportunity to use robots to carry out your trade. That means you use AI to trade, or you trade AI and you get settled in USD. Alright, and this particular project is called the GDP of autonomous systems, whereby you turn robot labor into on-chain liquidity. And they have promised an airdrop. All right, you can actually see more of them on their website here, where it says building the GDP of autonomous systems, a network where robots contract each other, trade intelligence, and settle in USD. Okay, you can actually come down and read their white paper, read more about the intelligence needs for connection and how they are looking at building trust to demand verification, right? You can come back and look at all of these proof of physical work, universal tax language, and all of those information, right? I mean, I like the interface of this website. It's looking so sleek and very intentional. Okay, so how do you now position for this particular airdrop so that you don't end up missing out? All right, this is also like a referral based project, and there is instant reward airdrop, so it's already promised. So you go straight down to the description of this video, you click on it, then it's going to bring you straight to this website like this. All right, so by the time you come to the website, you said you have earned your first point for using the referral link. So if you use my referral link, you are going to earn 50 points. All right, so you connect your wallet, connect an Ethereum wallet. I'm going to be using my Ravi wallet. All right, and I'm just going to enter my password here. Okay, and it's going to give me the prompt, so I'm just going to ignore this, and I'll connect. And after connecting, the next thing you want to do is to sign this. All right, so I'm just going to sign, and I'll click on confirm, and you see that this part here is going to change, and it's going to show me my balance 50 of their token, right? I mean, I already got 50, so it's going to update much later. So the next thing is you have to connect your X account. So I'm going to connect my X account. One has to be very careful about the account that they are connecting to some of this website, okay? But then again, there's no harm in trying, right? So I'm just going to wait for this page to load, and I'm just going to authorize and wait for it to take me back. Wait for it to take me back, and now we're back here, okay? So you can actually see great 10 Konnex Points is already added. This is almost giving the same vibe like Vera. It is giving the same Vera kind of vibe. I just hope that we are not going to be wasting our time in the end. So it says engage with airdrop announcement. All right, so I'm going to go to post. I'm going to go to the post. So what do they want me to do? They want me to like, comment, and repost. All right, so I'm just going to like and comment, and I'll come back here and I'll claim this. I'm just going to like and I'll comment. Let's do this, guys. So that's pretty much it. I've commented, and what they are saying is it looks like you haven't commented or reposted yet. Please double check again. So let me enter my link for my comment. I'm going to come back here, and I'm just going to copy the link. Then I'll come back here, paste the link. This is supposed to give me some multipliers, right? So I'm just going to wait for it to approve. I have commented. Why are they doing this? So let me just, maybe I'll just have to comment again. I am bullish on this project. Okay. So I'm just going to reply this one again, and I'm just going to copy the link. This is my comment. I'll come back here again. Let's see. I'll paste it. Now I'll click on claim. So let's see if this is going to work out again. Because it's supposed to give me like an X 1.2 multiplier, all right? Okay, so my multiplier is now active. It's not active. So the next thing is I should go and follow their account. So I've already done that before joining this. So I'm just going to claim this. Then the next one is to join their Telegram. I'm going to claim this as well. Then daily check-in. I mean, this is giving the same vibe like it's giving the same vibe like Vienna. So you might want to just lock in, all right, and position for them. So for this one, it says post about Konnex daily. You tag them and you come here and submit the post. So I don't think I'll be doing that. So let me just connect. Let me connect my Discord. Let me authorize. So I've authorized them. So let me just click on see more. So they are going to take me straight to their Discord platform for me to join. So I'm going to accept the invite. So I'm just going to verify. I'll click on continue, continue. Then I'm going to do this captcha 5, 2, 0, 4, 9. Let's see. Okay, so you have successfully verified, all right? So let me try and claim a role. Let me see if there are roles that can be claimed here. So apparently there are no roles here currently. So it means that I am all set. So I'm just going to go back to this and I'll click on see more. Let's see if it's going to approve it. Of course, it has approved it. You can see I now have 148 Konnex points. All right. So now that I have 148, it means that there are other tags, which is for you to create a post daily. And after you've created the post, you come back here and you submit it. Then also here too, you can get a referral link. You can customize the link. So I'm just going to customize my link. Okay, so I'm just going to click on done. All right. So my link is already customized. So it's a referral based project. It's a referral based project. You can see all of these guys here. And I heard that it's going to be ending pretty soon. So you want to lock in as quick as possible for this particular project. All right. So that'll be all for now, guys. If you found value in this video, please like the video, share the video, and also drop a comment. I'll be there to provide as much answer as possible. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. It's one of our biggest motivations so that we can be able to get more persons involved in what we are doing. All right. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye for now, guys.